When leaders take the time to understand the networks within their organizations, the informal and formal ways that individuals connect and communicate and influence, one of the first critical steps that they need to take in that assessment is to understand network shapes. So while there are many shapes we can discuss, today we will talk about 3 to be able to elaborate on what this could mean for leaders as they understand their networks. One of the first styles of network shape that we've come across is a hierarchical shape, one where an employee will go to their boss, and that person will go to their boss, and so on. In this style, it's essentially a command and control style of leadership, and it works well in situations where the work doesn't have to be as collaborative and tends to be a bit more on the repetitive side. Then we have a star shape. In these cases, star-shaped networks are ones similar to that sort of structured command and control style, but it's a much more flat type of team. And then finally, we can look at things like a spoken wheel. The spoken wheel teams tend to have collaboration that occurs across multiple avenues within those teams and are the most collaborative style of teamwork that we can see in these charts. The main takeaway, though, is that none of these are correct necessarily. None of these are right in a static sense. It's important for leaders and managers of teams to try to understand what they are looking to accomplish and how do they want to get there. Taking a dynamic view of how each of these networks connect is a critical step to proactively managing change within teams and understanding where you can leverage important network influencers to drive change moving forward.